Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. In the car, set the infotainment to the phone/Apple CarPlay pairing screen. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and unlock the device. Use an Apple certified Lightning cable for a wired connection. This reduces handshake errors. Once the car prompts for connection, allow the pairing request on your phone and accept any prompts asking to trust the vehicle. Doing this first speeds the process and avoids repeated reauthorizations. Once paired, switch to the CarPlay setup option on the K5 screen. Select your iPhone to initiate CarPlay. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings General CarPlay to confirm the Kia and customize app order if you want. Make sure you allow access to notifications, location, and microphone so maps, messaging, and voice commands work properly. If using wireless CarPlay, keep the phone in the vehicle and ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remain active. This maintains a stable connection while driving. Now verify functionality. Open Maps, make a call, send a text via Siri, and test audio playback so you confirm everything routes correctly. If CarPlay doesn't appear or drops out, unplug and reconnect the cable, try a known good Apple cable, reboot your iPhone, or forget the Kia in Bluetooth settings and repair. If problems persist, check for an infotainment firmware update or visit your dealer. Sometimes the car needs a software patch to resolve compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.